So hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about this zoom setting guys. You want to solve this setting, so guys you can solve. In this video guys, I will show you how to solve this. Guys, if you have on by mistake, so guys you can off. Don't worry guys. In this video guys, I will show you how to off it. And guys, how can you solve this problem? So guys, we call it guys magnification problem guys. You can see guys, you can zoom your screen guys like that. So you want to off, and guys you want to solve this problem, so guys you can solve. In this video guys, I will show you how to solve this problem. So first of all, open your phone setting and guys scroll it, and come on guys, this system setting, accessibility guys, come on version, and guys click on this magnifications shortcut, so you can off from here. So as you can see, magnification type as off in our oppo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve this magnification problem in Oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.